Hello, Peter Gabor. Very nice to have you here. You hold a PhD and you are working for the Urban Planning Department of the Municipality of Budapest. Is that right? Great. And I heard you were working on an exciting project about trees inventory using AI. Can you tell us more about this project?
Yes, so if we are talking about the Green Europe, we believe that green infrastructure, the urban trees are important. Many cities have some kind of database of what kind of green infrastructure, what kind of tree assets they have. But in most cases, this information is fragmented, it's very diverse. The way how they monitor it, it's done in a manual way, it's very slow, and the information is not interoperable. So we believe that it's a time now to create an integrated European tree inventory, which is accessible for citizens, decision makers as well, which data can be accessed and can be compared with each other. This would help not just in management and development projects. It would help to monitor how our green spaces are changing. It's very important if we are trying to adapt it to the climate change. And at the same time, it will provide open database for the citizens, and it will help us to make better decisions.
Indeed, it seems a very important initiative, and you said indeed that Budapest is not alone. Many cities are already considering this, so I guess interoperability is the key concept here. Can you tell us more about really how interoperable it is now? Are you already reusing SEMIC building blocks or services solutions, or are you considering to do so in the future?
We are looking for opportunities to cooperate. Budapest city has a know-how to share. We have a 3D scanning database. We do it every 3 years. We scan the streets of Budapest. So we have this cloud of points. We have the technology available. Artificial intelligence can create the metric information about the trees using this 3D scanning. If we teach the artificial intelligence, it can be taught about the botanical information, the health status of the trees. This database can be even more sophisticated. It can present for the citizens and for the decision makers the economic and ecological benefits of green spaces. So the technology is there. Budapest has run a successful tryout project, a pilot project, where we use this laser scanning database and imported it into our existing digital tree inventory. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. We have an existing tree database, but it can be improved. It should be improved to be able to absorb this information. We know that there are many cities who are doing similar projects, similar pilot projects. And since in the goals of the European Union, there are the climate resilient cities are important. We believe it would be very useful to have a cross-European database about the green infrastructure.
Yes, that's great. I see you have already a lot of know-how of technology that seems to be already mature. So now what's next? What will be the next actions for you, and how could SEMIC also better support you in the future?
Well, we are looking for partners. We are looking to experiences. As I mentioned, there are many pilot projects going on, so it would be nice to learn from the experiences, and not just in our sector, not in just the green space management sector, but it would be also interesting to learn about experiences from other sectors. So I think this is why the SEMIC is a very important and useful source. So we can learn from others, not just space-wise, but also different type of professions can come together. So we are looking forward to this kind of cooperation.
Great. Thanks a lot, Peter. And I'm looking forward to hear more about this project in the future.
Thank you for the opportunity.